Hey guys, that's a wrap up for this F-150 here. This build is complete and it's actually sold, so the owner's coming to pick it up on Friday in a couple of days time, which is great. Just finished all the interior, basically went over everything, wrapped it, the dash has come up really nicely, that Raptor coating. When you dilute it properly, it comes up really nice. Painted all the plastics inside, it's got new carpet, door trims have been done, redid the hood liner as well, sun visors, found a trim piece up here thanks to Stephen Mundering. And behind the seat we've got Dynamat, as we've got Dynamat all throughout underneath the carpet as well, which keeps the noise down. It does a really good job actually, I highly recommend it. In the bed we've got some grey Raptor liner in there, along with a heavy duty rubberised mat. I'm finding these mats are good for the cargo area. They're a good non-slip surface and you don't have to worry about scratching anything either, so they're super practical. They're quite heavy, so they do add a little bit of weight to it, which I think is a good thing. I've retained the rear sliding window here. That works a treat. They are so nice, just lets a little bit of air through without being too much. And the colour, we've left it the primer colour. This flat finish really suits this vehicle, really like it on here. And all the front end's been done up as well, new grille, refurbished headlight buckets, new indicators, new LED lights. Oh yeah, I did some vinyl decals on the weekend. They're in a black brushed wrap. They've come up nicely as well. So I've got F-150 on each side, and at the back here on the tailgate, F-150 here and the Ford logo over here. Hope Ford aren't looking at that too closely. Not much you can do about it. It is a Ford. So the wheels, I'm gone with the original wheels that are on here, painted them up. They're a 15x8 rim, just with 33-inch tyres, nothing over the top there. But I think it's a good combination. This vehicle's got a 2-inch lift on it, and it's quite level as well, as you can see. Yeah, there's no rake, it's not squatting either, it's just pretty much dead level. Redone the door handles, the mirrors. Yes, everything else works on this rig. It's a really nice ute to drive. A little bit sad to see it go actually. I've enjoyed driving it around. Got me safely up to Kalgoorlie back in the day, which is a bit of a feat for these old girls. Thanks for following along. I think next up I'll be getting stuck into that bump side build, so yeah, looking forward to that. I'll see what I'm dealing with once I get into it. But as always, yeah, I'll just keep the videos coming. Yeah, so keep your eyes peeled for the next one. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Catch ya.